Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Taiwan. We are here today to express our support for the company. Many of our Filipino colleagues have worked at Taidoc for over 10 years. We are truly enjoy working here in Taiwan. In our company, Taidoc Technology Corporation. They treat us very well. There's no any attempt harassment between employer and employees. Specifically, migrant workers. Based on my knowledge, the company has employed foreign workers for nearly 20 years and has never warned, dismissed, or repatriated an employee due to marriage and pregnancy. In my almost 11 years working here, I testify that all got pregnant Filipino has voluntarily exceeded based on their health conditions and future plans for their future family. Company serve us what's written in our bonded contract on a legal basis. The company has never charged foreign workers for any fees for second renewing employment contract, and there is no forced labor. It is just a disciplinary action given to those who violated the company and dormitory rules and regulations. In our dormitory, we shared living space with regulations in place for our safety and order. Beforehand, in our signed contracts at agency in the Philippines indicated that we have a 11 curfew at dormitory. This simply means that the company is just protecting us in any circumstances that might accidentally happen to us outside the dormitory. Because nowadays, safety is not promising at any cost. The company doesn't manage small gatherings, protests, or strikes by foreign workers. We are not going to fight. We are fully committed in embodying the company's vision and turning out collective support into tangible result and stand for what's right and not because we are paid to do so. Not to create chaos and affect the livelihood of others. Freezing quota of hiring and aspiring Filipino foreign workers wanting to stop the operation of this company it is a humiliation. We are here, aim to our goals, want to work, get paid enough, and have peacefully sleep. Taiwan give us a chance to act generally. There are nice people. But why there are people allowed to destroy the economy and ecosystem of manufacturing in Taiwan? We should be happy and contented for what we have. Spread love and humanity. Thank you.
我们今天来到这里是为了表达对公司的支持。我们许多菲律宾同事在泰国科技工作超过10年，我们非常享受在台湾以及泰国科技的工作。公司对我们很好，不存在雇主与员工之间，特别是与外籍劳工之间的任何骚扰行为。据我所知，公司雇用外籍员工近20年，从未因员工结婚或怀孕而警告、解雇或遣返任何员工。在我近11年的工作经验中，我可以作证，所有怀孕的菲律宾员工都是出于自身健康状况和未来家庭规划的考虑而自愿离职的。公司依法履行我们签订的劳动合同，从未向外籍员工收取任何续签劳动合同的费用，也不存在强迫劳动。公司对违反公司和宿舍规章制度的员工采取的只是纪律处分。在我们的宿舍里，我们与其他住户共享生活空间，并遵守相关规定。为了我们的安全和秩序，事先在菲律宾中介机构签署的合约中明确规定了宿舍晚上11点的宵禁。这仅仅意味着公司是为了保护我们，防止任何可能发生的意外情况。在宿舍外，如今的安全问题难以保证。公司不管理外籍劳工的小规模集会、抗议或罢工，我们不会反抗。我们完全致力于实践公司的愿景，将集体 体的支持转化为实际的成果。坚持正义，而不是因为受雇于人。我们不会制造混乱，影响他人的生计，也不会冻结菲律宾外籍劳工的招募配额，想让这家公司停业，这简直是奇耻大辱。那我们呢？我们来到这里是为了追求我们的目标，想要工作，获得足够的报酬，并安心入睡。台湾整体上给了我们机会，他们都是好人。但为什么允许有人破坏台湾的经济和制造业生态系统呢？我们应该为我们所拥有的一切感到快乐和满足，传播爱与人性。